Dandora katika kaunti ya Nairobi ni sehemu ambayo inatambulikana kwa mambo ambayo yanatendeka katika sehemu ile. Leo kisa ambacho tunakuletea ni baada ya maafisa wa polisi kuweza kuchapisha kuhusiana na kukamatwa kwa moja kati ya magaidi sugu na majangili sugu katika kaunti ya Nairobi na pia katika Jamhuri ya Kenya, ambao honyo ilikuwa imetolewa kwa umma ndipo waweze kukamatwa. Now, the police and the Directorate of Criminal Investigation yesterday thanked the members of the public for helping the police arrest the most wanted criminal leader, Wanyama Mukanga, aka Ramadhan Mukanga, alias Abu Naiyah. He was arrested while hiding in the Dandora slums. DCI said Mukanga was the mastermind of the attack in Siaya County, where a police officer escorting examination papers was killed in the year 2023. Police in Nairobi have arrested the most wanted criminal leader behind the brutal murder of police officer. Now, in a statement on Wednesday, January 31st, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, celebrated the arrest of Edward Mukanga, alias Abu Naiyah. Now, the DCI said Mukanga, aged 34, was arrested in Nairobi Dandora slums following on Friday, January 26th, following a tip from the members of the public. Now, I shall quote it. Police in Nairobi have arrested a wanted criminal gang leader who was on the run following a tip from members of the public. Edward Wanyama Mukanga, aka Ramadhan Mukanga, alias Abu Naiyah, 34 years, was the leader of the grand and a mastermind of the CIA attack, where a police officer was killed and another one injured and robbed of their rifles as they escorted examination papers to Mahero Secondary School in Alego, Usonga Sub-County in Siaya County on November 20, 2023, DCI said. Now, earlier the police had published his name and photos as well as those of his 4 associates in the media and appealed to members of the public to share any information on their whereabouts. In celebration to this, they say the National Police Service appreciates the swift action by members of the public that has so far led to the arrest of Hastings Omondi, who was apprehended in Usenge village within the Bondo area of Siaya County in December 2023. Now, the mastermind, Mr. Wanyama Mukanga, has also been arrested. And he was arrested in Nairobi, but remember that he committed the crime in Siaya County, which is something that the police are following closely. And we will also be following closely to keep you updated in regards to what will happen to this man. For now, that's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe to FM Show KE for more news and more updates.